The hard road to success. James Carter had always dreamed of a better life, one where hard work led to a sense of fulfillment and security. Born in a small town in the Midwest, he grew up watching his parents struggle to make ends meet. They worked long hours in factories, sacrificing their own happiness for the sake of their family. James promised himself that he would one day break free from that cycle and build something for himself. After graduating from high school, he left his hometown for the bustling streets of New York City. Armed with determination and a few $100s, James knew the journey would be tough. He found work as a janitor in an office building, the long hours often stretching into the night. It wasn't glamorous, but it was steady, and it gave him a sense of pride. Every evening, after scrubbing floors and emptying trash cans, he would sit in a small coffee shop, poring over books about business and finance. His dream was to open his own company, but he knew it would take more than just hope and ambition. James spent years working different jobs, from construction to waitressing, each one teaching him something valuable. He learned the importance of patience, how to deal with people from all walks of life, and most importantly, the value of persistence. By day, he worked hard at whatever task was at hand. By night, he studied. After 5 years, he managed to secure a low-level position in a tech startup. At first, it felt like a break, but James soon realized that success wasn't given, it was earned. He worked twice as hard as anyone else, often staying late to finish projects and asking for feedback. His dedication did not go unnoticed. Slowly, he climbed the corporate ladder, earning promotions and respect from his colleagues. After a decade of relentless effort, James had saved enough money to start his own business. It wasn't easy, and the road was filled with setbacks. There were days when failure seemed inevitable, but James never gave up. Today, his tech company is thriving, employing hundreds of people and helping other aspiring entrepreneurs achieve their dreams. Looking back, James knew that the key to his success was never in the shortcuts, but in the unwavering commitment to working hard, no matter how challenging the road ahead.